Good morning, children. I'm sure you must be really thrilled. You have learned Indian system and international system of numeration. It's really nice to know both the systems. Today, children, we are going to compare these two systems. Same number will be there. We will read it in Indian system also and international system also. Okay. Now you must be wondering that the number will become different. No, the number will not become different. It is like if there is a person whose name is Sonika, but at home they call her Sonu. If her parents call her Sonu, or in the school she is called Sonika, will her face change? Will the person change? No, the person will not change. Same way, children, for a number we can call that number in Indian system also, we can read it in Indian system also, and we can read the same number in international system also, and we are going to learn this today. Come, let's start. In this slide you have to see carefully, and you will see that I have got both international as well as Indian system of numeration, so that you can compare both the systems, and you will find the comparison will tell you what is the number called in each of the systems. In international system of numeration, we have 3 places in each period. Ones has 3 places, thousands has 3 places, and millions also has 3 places. In Indian system of numeration, only ones has 3 places, rest all periods have 2 places each. Please see, thousands have 2 places, lakh has 2 places, and crore also has 2 places. So children, till 10,000, all the numbers are similar in both the systems, international as well as Indian. Please see, ones, here also ones, tens, here also tens, hundreds, here also hundreds, thousand, here also thousand, 10,000, here also it is 10,000. Okay, but in Indian system, after 10,000 we have lakhs period. So the number which is called 1 lakh in Indian system is called 100,000 in international system. Look at this number. This number has 5 zeros and a 1. Look at this number. It also has 5 zeros and a 1. So the number is the same. Only its name is different in both the systems. In Indian system, it is called 1 lakh, and in international system, it is called 100,000. Also, you can see the comma has been put in different place. Here, we have only 1 comma, but here in Indian system, we have 2 commas since the lakh period has already started. Okay, let's go to the next place. In Indian system, this number is called 10 lakh. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 1. In international system, if you have 6 zeros and a 1, it is called 1 million. So dear children, you can see that the numeral is the same, but the name is different. So 1 million in international system is 10 lakh in Indian system. Okay, let us move to the next place. In Indian system, after 10 lakh, the crores period starts and the next place is 1 crore. Let us look at the numeral. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. 1 and 7 zeros make a crore in Indian system. Okay, let us see international system. 7 zeros and a 1. It is called 10 million in international system. So, the numeral is same. In international system, it is called 10 million. And in Indian system, it is called 1 crore. So 1 crore is equal to 10 million. Both mean the same. Let us see the next place. In Indian system, it is 10 crore. Okay, let's count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 8 zeros make 10 crore. In international system, 1 and 8 zeros make 100 million. So 100 million is equal to 10 crore. Both mean the same. So this was the comparison of international system and Indian system. I hope, children, you would have understood and you won't get confused ever. Okay, let us look at one more slide. Reading numbers in Indian as well as international system. Now, just a quick look at this, you may feel that the numbers are different. But no, they are not different. Only the commas have been put at different places. And as you can see, everywhere the first I have written the Indian place, the number I have written according to Indian place value chart. And then I have written it according to the international place value chart. In international place value chart, every period has three places. So simple. After 3 places, put a comma. After 3 places, put a comma. So you can easily make out this is international system. Here also you can easily make out this is international system. A comma after every 3 digits. And here also you can make out it's international system. And this is Indian system. Because 3 digits, then comma, 2 digits, comma, 2 digits, comma. Same way here. 3 digits, comma, 2 digits, comma, 2 digits, a comma. Okay, let us see how these numbers will be read. This is Indian system, so ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. So we have 23 crore 4 lakh 50,643. 23 crore 4 lakh 50,643. Same number I'm going to read in international system. Ones period, thousands period, millions period. 230 million 450,643. 230,450,643. Okay. Again, this is Indian system. Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, and crores period. 70 crore 4 lakh 40,527. 70 crore 4 lakh 40,527. Let's read it in international system. Ones period, thousands period, millions period. 700 million 440,527. 700,440,527. Okay, the last number, we are going to first read it in Indian system and then in international system. Okay, 82 crore 63,413. 82 crore 63,413. Since there are zeros, both the zeros are there in lakhs period. So I did not mention anything in lakh, right? I did not say 00 lakhs. No, I didn't say that. There is no need to say that. Okay, let us read this. 820 million 63,413. 820 million 63,413. So children, this slide must have shown you that the number is the same, only the differences in the places of commas and how we call them, that is different, but the value of the number is going to stay the same. As I gave you the example of a person whose name in the school, they call her Sonika, at home they call her Sonu, but the person remains the same. Just by calling different names, person will not become different. The person will be the same. Same way, just by calling the numbers by different names in Indian as well as international system, the number will remain the same, only the way we are calling the number will become different. So children, with this, we finish with our first chapter. I really hope that you would have understood how to read, write, compare large numbers, and you will be very, very comfortable in both Indian as well as international system. Thank you so much, children. Thanks and have a great day.